Hello YouTube and welcome back to the T5 Chronicles. I finished the bell housing today. Got all the casting flash. Any kind of marks that it had on it, I went ahead and knocked them down. I'm not going to leave it the way it is. What I'm going to do is paint it. Find a good self-etching paint for it, because this is aluminum, and if you try to paint aluminum, which I've done before on hoods that are aluminum, within 6 months or so the paint just comes off in sheets, and that's no fun after you've done so much work. This is the bell housing, pretty much all done up. I still have to do a little bit more of it just to get all the stuff out of it, like in the corners. I got kind of lazy, tired. It gets kind of tedious to do this kind of work, but I got all the time in the world, so might as well just keep going at it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.